Are you tired of surfing the internet and reading article after article, which is AI generated? Well, me too. And that's why today I'm going to show you how to create your own blog with AI generated content. Wait, don't click away yet. It's AI generated content that is humanized. So it sounds like a human, even though it is AI generated. It doesn't just create text, it does a lot more than that. So let me show you what I'm talking about. And let's start off by humanizing text. So we're going to use ChatGPT to create our blog article, and then we're going to throw it into this tool to make it more human. So to start, our blog is about cooking, and our prompt is create me an article for a cooking blog. I want a recipe about cooking of something interesting. Add a life story at the start about how the recipe is amazing and passed down in some wild way. You go on the web and look up recipes, you know exactly what I'm talking about with these life stories. There's a story my grandfather used to tell me every winter by the fire. Back in the early 70s, he found himself stranded in Nevada mountains after a storm derailed his hunting trip. With nothing but his wits and a few sparse ingredients in his pack, he created what became to known as our family firecracker chili. Let's throw this in now. The tool we're looking at today is called SEOwriting.ai. So let's try the humanizer tool here. We need to input our text here from ChatGPT, and now we have these options here. So we can actually change it by the grade levels. We can decide our language, and we can say remove AI words, and what this is going to do is it's going to remove common words that AI will spit out. We have it set to the 5th grade, so it's understandable by 11-year-olds, and we also remove the extended list of AI words. So our new story goes as this. My grandfather used to tell me a story every winter by the fire. When he got stuck in the Sierra Nevada mountains, he made firecrack chili with what he had. Did a pretty good job at changing the level. Let's go up to the highest possible, which they call professional. My grandfather's tale of being stranded in the Sierra Nevada mountains during a storm in the early 70s has been a cherished family legend. His resourcefulness in creating firecrack chili from minimal ingredients has been passed down through generations. This dish has become a staple at our family gatherings, a testament to enduring power of culinary traditions. Although it is more complex, it doesn't feel like AI. Now, the fun part is, can we set up this tool with a WordPress website to have it automatically create content for us? And that is what we're going to try now. I have a fresh WordPress installation here. We're going to go to plugins, we're going to hit add new, and we're going to search. It is called SEO Writing, and now we hit install and activate. Your site is not connected. Let's connect it now. Just like that, we have SEOwriting.ai connected to our WordPress website, and it is ready to create articles for us. Look at our website right now. It is blank. There's nothing there. We're about to change that. So now we are going to add content. So we can start with this bulk article generation. We can enter some keywords. We can enter a title, so how to cook, and we can just click this generate button here, and you can see it's generated all these different keywords for us. Now we can hit generate for titles, and it's going to generate titles for us. So we can generate an outline, and if we scroll down, there are more options down here, so we can select our article type. So it might be a how-to guide or a product review or news, comparison, an opinion piece, tutorials. So in this case, it's kind of a tutorial. Does that make sense? We can decide our article size. So we can say the number of words. And if you pick it like large, it tells you 3,600 to 5,200 words. And it tells you the number of heading tags it's going to create. So let's just say medium for now. We have our voice, so it can be friendly, professional, informative. We can pick our point of view. Text readability, we can decide what grade it is. What's really cool is we can pick our AI model. So we have Deepseek R1 with real-time search engine ranking. So it will show us and help us rank our article better. And there are different versions of this. So this one here is a distilled llama version. So it's built off of llama. And this one is actually Deepseek. And there are so many different models that they offer. So there is GPT-4, there's Claude, there's Lambda, and a bunch of different versions of these models. We can also include images in our articles. So we can say, yes, we want to include AI images. We can have up to 20 images, I guess, but we're going to pick one. We're going to pick a style. So we're going to say photo. We can select the image size, and we can also add additional instructions where your images are going to take the same type of idea each and every time. So for brand name, We're going to call it Franklin Cooks. And we can also have a YouTube video. So if we want to add YouTube videos throughout our articles, we can. We can also adjust the hook on our articles. So maybe we want to ask a question first or add a statistic. We can add conclusions, tables, FAQs, and we can also have internal linking. So if we picked this, for example, it would find articles within our own website to link to, which is helpful for search engine ranking. And we're going to say just publish it. And we're going to make them uncategorized. We don't have categories. We can even have it randomly select a different author to post our information. That way, if you have a blog and you want to show like you have multiple people writing for you, you can do that as well. So when we're done, we can scroll up, we can hit Save Template. Here is our template here. It is called Test, and we can hit Run. Here they are. They are being built right now as we speak. There are some check marks going on, and the other ones are making their way through to the website. So let's go back to our website here. We're going to hit refresh. You can see we have no articles. Refresh, and boom. Here's our blog with articles that we didn't actually write, that was created by this tool, and it is automatically being published to our website. So we can see right off the start, our image has Franklin Cooks right in it, which is good, and it adds our branding to the website. As we scroll down, we can see that we have daily meals, and that is bold. Clean eating is bold, and this will help with search engine ranking. So if we want to get our blog more popular, this would be helpful. The text itself is also well written and easy to understand. From the creamy richness of peanut butter and the African stews to the golden warmth of butter and the French pastries, every ingredient has a place in the grand sympathy of flavors. There's all sorts of information about what we're talking about, and also here is the YouTube video that they said they would add. Here's a little table, and our article is very well in depth, including an FAQ. Here is another one, Master Cooking and Techniques and Meal Prep Ideas for Your Kitchen. And this stuff is so well written. It's not like going to an AI model, typing in your prompt, and copying and pasting over your article. It is doing the bolding for you. It is adding the headers. It's adding images. It's adding videos. It's able to link internally as well as externally to get the article ranked and maximize traffic to your website. So I think this is actually pretty amazing, and it works a lot better than I thought it would, truthfully, and I'm very, very impressed. So if you want to create a blog, you can actually create a blog, throw some ads on it, and you can probably run it just on autopilot, and over time you should see traffic, which in turn should make you money. Top here, we can click brand voice, and we can create our own brand voice. So we can add our own text, and it's going to create a brand voice based off the text we give it. So it will mimic the voice that we have or the voice that we give it. We can also say, hey, here's our website, go to our website and follow and find all the stuff that we've written already and use that as the voice going forward. So now you're not getting a generic voice, you're actually getting how you would sound, your tone, your words in your blog articles. Maybe we don't want to create bulk articles. Maybe we want just one. So there's this one-click blog post, so we can enter our keyword and we can generate a title. So our keyword is how to cook chicken. We have all our core settings as before, but we don't want to go through and do that all again, so we can just click our test, which is the template we set up earlier, and now we have our title, how to cook chicken, easy recipes and tips. And now we can hit run, and it is in our builder. So this article is being built right now, and it will be published shortly. Keep in mind, you don't have to publish these articles right away either. You can put them in draft. So there are a bunch of tools on this website that you can use. I want to just scroll down. I want to show you something. Here are the latest documents that we have done. So let's just pick one for fun, delicious barbecue recipes. And if we click it, it shows us the exact thing that it created that went on my blog. So we can also see the meta tags. We can also see an SEO report. So this is how well it will rank on Google. This website doesn't just make your written content more human, but I truly think if you're going to create a blog and you want to find one AI tool to make your blog run on autopilot with maintaining a human touch and making it seem human and having the ability to make money from your blog, this is the tool to try. I'll have a link in the description below. Definitely check it out. if you have a blog, you're thinking of starting a blog, this is the one to go with. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on this tool. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI content. Leave a like on the video because that tells the YouTube algorithm that you enjoy this type of content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Creating the journey's yours. Unlock the future, open the doors. Ideas and inspiration, just one click. Our site's the magic. It's really that quick.